Hey there, welcome back to our channel. Today we are taking a look at the AZDOME M550 4K Wi-Fi 3 channel on dashcam. This amazing dashcam comes with dual front and rear cameras, 4K resolution, a free 64GB South Dakota card, built-in GPS, 24H parking mode, IR night vision, and so much more. With the AZDOME M550, you can capture crystal clear footage in 4K resolution, whether you're recording just the front and rear, or even the inside of your vehicle. Plus, with built-in Wi-Fi, you can easily connect to the AZDOME app to playback, download, and manage your videos, as well as share your travel moments with friends and family. The M550 also comes with built-in GPS, so you can view the speed, route, latitude, and longitude of your recorded videos. This can be incredibly useful for providing evidence during emergencies. And with 24H parking monitor in 3 different modes, you can feel confident that your vehicle is being monitored at all times. And let's not forget about the incredible IR night vision, which ensures that your dash cam can capture clear footage day and night. With the AZDOME M550, you can have peace of mind knowing that your vehicle is being monitored and recorded at all times. This amazing dash cam also comes with a 12-month warranty and 24/7 technical support, so you can rest assured that you will be taken care of should you encounter any issues. So, if you're in the market for a reliable and high-quality dash cam for your car, be sure to check out the AZDOME M550 4K Wi-Fi 3 channel on dashcam. You can find the purchase link in the description below. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on any more great reviews and recommendations from our channel. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.